how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day with TikTok Shop affiliate marketing or with TikTok affiliate marketing, using it as a primary traffic source, basically to get the eyeballs of people just like you and me who are ready to buy. So let me show over here. Basically, you can see today and yesterday results with one of the affiliate programs with affiliate marketing, right? Using TikTok affiliate marketing, TikTok ads. So let me show you over here. On TikTok, you can see we had 4.8 million video views in the last 30 days. And over here, you can see profile views over here, 59,000 and 46,000 comments. Now, why this matters? In 2025, okay, you're in December, let's say it's 2025, next month, after next month, you are going to see the new trend happening with TikTok, which is merging with Amazon Shop. So Amazon and TikTok are going to merge together, okay? It's going to be a match. Now, why this is important is because if you do ClickBank affiliate marketing, if you promote different physical products like supplements for diabetes, weight loss, info products, digital courses, you know that this will help you succeed online. The secret to success with TikTok affiliate marketing is this, or any others, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, or Google ads, is this: having the message to the market match, and engagement ads, engagement campaigns. Why? Because you can see, imagine if you have 46,000 comments, I'm talking about positive comments, about the product you're promoting online. It means you're getting organic exposure, free traffic, organic leads online. Okay, you can see over here, let me show you, look, 7,900 shares. It means that people like this stuff, they're gonna share it with their friends and family. So it's referrals, word of mouth online. So imagine 8,000 people share your affiliate link on ClickBank or MaxWeb, and you're getting 80 to 90% affiliate commissions. Of course, you're gonna make some sales. Of course, you're gonna make a few $1,000s in a day or 3 or 4 days, right? So this is the secret of the game. If you really want to take affiliate marketing seriously, you have to think outside of the box, what gurus are telling you on YouTube or different courses, right? Engagement matters. High quality product matters. Proven product and VSL matters. Okay? If you want to have these kind of results, let me show you over here. Now, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, okay? So all the links are in the description below. You can reach out to me over here. Okay, I'm just showing you what is possible when you take affiliate marketing really seriously. You'll be able to start having these kind of results online, okay? Even if you're a beginner, at least if you're not making excuses and have at least, let's say, 1 hour to 1 hour and a half per day, you'll be able to do this and manage to get really good at TikTok affiliate marketing. Now, how this works, let me show you over here. The secret is that TikTok is a shopping powerhouse. Why powerhouse? Because you can see, don't have to believe me. Look, TikTok shopping trends. Almost 60% of TikTok users say they use the platform for shopping inspiration. So it means people are on TikTok to buy products. They know. You can see TikTok live streaming shop. It's really popular all around the world, especially in USA, Asia, Europe, right? You know that. You can go and check on TikTok. Then why don't you take advantage? I know you're smart as you watch this video right now. You can see 48% use TikTok for information gathering on product purchases. So it means they're used to it. It's native advertising. Okay? And if you look what is working on TikTok, it's going to work on Facebook ads and also on YouTube ads. So if you're not on TikTok, then I don't know what you're doing. Okay? Because you're losing a lot of money. You're losing so much money not doing this. All right, you can see over here, look, 92% of TikTok users say they discovered new products on the app. So it means they're on the TikTok, they see the advertising, they buy the product because they're used to it. It's normal, right? People don't go only to shops, they go to online shops, online websites to buy the products every single day, right? So you can see one of the students over here, in the last 7 days, he had $6,480 profit. Okay, so how quick you can profit, you can see. This is just example. You can start as low as $10 per day, but $50 per day can get you up to $250 in profit. Again, remember, I'm showing you and teaching you and helping you to get a skill set to become professional marketer, working 1 to 2 hours per day, having $500 to $1,000 a day profit. Sustainable, stress-free income. That's what is the name of the game, okay? In 2025 with TikTok affiliate marketing, all right? So what we get done together is, you can see over the Zoom call, because I'm not selling any courses here. I believe in personal hand-holding, personal results. That's what matters in 2025, right? I would much rather work with someone to help me personally get the results that I desire, all right? So you can see over here, what is the secret? Why some people are losing money or are scared to spend money online is because they don't know that there are 5 stages of awareness. We have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, right? 60 years old grandma in Kentucky is going to watch 60-minute video on ClickBank, video sales letter, right? Before they buy weight loss supplement. But someone who is 35 years old in New York, who understands that for weight loss he has to go to gym or change a diet, will not watch that 60-minute video. You see the difference here, right? Not all people are the same. Not all leads are the same. So once you have someone who can show exactly how to structure your ads with the deep psychology of marketing and put it up for you there, done for you, then you will finally be able to start having results in 2025 and duplicate it and install this system for yourself. You can see people just like you over here, right? In our Facebook group, you can see $4,400 in a day, $1,000 in a day. Now again, I'm not promising or guaranteeing you anything. I'm saying yes, if you take the steps, you can make at least, if not more than $500 profit per day. So as you watch this video, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. I'm giving you my personal WhatsApp number. Ask yourself, when was the last time any guru on ClickBank or YouTube gave you the access to their personal phone number? Okay? I'm also giving you my Facebook, my Instagram, where you can DM me or ask me any questions, but only if you're serious. If you want to waste my time or yours, do not reach out to me at all. You can unsubscribe now. Alright? Why? I'm saying this because I truly believe if you want to get results, you must put a little bit of action into it and some investment money-wise and a little bit time-wise. 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. It's all it takes. If you're really serious to get this going and have stress-free, sustainable income with affiliate marketing in 2025. Why I'm encouraging you to do this? Because now in the end of the year, niches like numerology, astrology, self-help, weight loss, it's really high. You can make so much money, but you're waiting. You're making excuses why you cannot do it. Because as you know, lots of people in New Year, they're making New Year goals and New Year resolutions, and you can use that advantage to sell them the products that they can better their life and their future, okay? So if you want to know exactly how to do it, let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and connect with me. There are links in the description below.